Let's take this show on the road. Same-ish, different day. I be bored out my mind. Hometown.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, peeps, whatever it is for you when you watch this video. It's Alethea coming back in with another video, and today I'm going to try to do this vloggy vlog. I've vlogged a couple of vlogs, but I have not edited them, and I don't know if I'm going to, because editing vlogs is just something totally different from editing a regular video. Anyway, with that being said, today is my wife and I, it's our 5th anniversary, and so we are hitting the road to go to Atlanta. I know we went to Atlanta before to celebrate our anniversary, but mind your business. Don't worry about this. Worry about yourself. And so we have reservations at some place tonight. I don't know what she said. What is it called?
The Velvet Note.
The Velvet Note. The Velvet Note. We have reservations at the Velvet Note today, and then tomorrow we're just gonna hang out with some family members or what have you, and then we'll come back home Thursday. So I know I'm gonna vlog the other days, but I'm gonna try to make sure I vlog today in its entirety. So stick along for the ride. Say hey. All right, you guys, so we have made it to the hotel. Our room number is 729. This is our first time coming to this hotel. It is Kempton Sylvan Perry something Road. My wife says that this is a part of their private collection because we've been to several Kemptons, but this one doesn't look like the other ones we've been to. But anyway, so she says it's part of their private collection. Anyway, let me show y'all what down the hall looks like. It's black and white. It just looks like a never-ending maze. Do y'all see that? So I'm in the room now, and when you first come in, there is a mirror right here. The air is set to 73. Here's the closet. Now, our dresses are there. So we've already put our dresses in here at my wife's coat. And here is the little bar. Okay, so you got some chips and candy bars and stuff like that. So y'all know this stuff is not cheap. $7 for a candy bar. And then here's the refrigerator. And here's the safe. Some towels. Oh, a steamer. I was just saying to myself I need a steamer for my dress. Hey. So they got a steamer. So yep, that's gonna come in handy. And then here is the bed. Now here's what's odd. Well, the TV does slant, but the TV is on this side of the wall, and y'all see the bed is here. So I'm gonna go to the front of the bed right here. Here's the bed. I like their black and white pictures and stuff. And then here is like a pendant light hanging down, but it's only on one side. And so here is the table that we've already filled up. So here are my roses that my honey got me right here. And purse and all that kind of stuff. Disregard that this is all our stuff. We always pack heavy. So mind your business, worry about yourself. We got this. And here is the bathroom. It's just one sink, like most hotels have, just one sink. Toilet, nothing to see here, nothing to see here, and then the shower. Now, I can tell you one thing I love about this shower that I think we're gonna do to our shower, that we should do to our shower, because we've seen this before at another hotel, but the shower head being up here, and then the handle being back here. I think that is chef's kiss. So, but that is the grand tour of said hotel room. So now I'm about to see.
Your phone has been delivered.
Oh, wow. So now it's there. All right. So she was just telling me my phone has been delivered. I ordered another phone. No, I didn't need a phone. I definitely didn't. But here's the thing. I'm going to be paying stuff for things the rest of my life. What is wrong with me paying for a phone if I want to? Worry about yourself. So anyway, it's been delivered. It's supposed to make it between 10 and 12, but it did not. But yeah. And the trip part about it went to the condo, but luckily we were able to reach out to the people, so they're assigned for it. So I'll just get it when we get back. But anyway, see y'all in a little bit. So the restaurant we're going to, we don't have to be there until 7, but apparently to 7:30. But apparently my wife has something planned because it's like right after 5 o'clock. I don't have my watch, and she's rushing me so we can go back downstairs. Is this it? We didn't go down that far, did we? Oh, okay. Anyway, So apparently there's something else going on because she's rushing me, like I said. And now I have my coat on. I'm gonna show you, get her to record me so y'all can see the full ensemble. Girl, that thing's sexy right there, ain't she? Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna take it out as soon as we get stopped. So my wife scheduled a photographer. So we are about to take pictures.
Face each other.
Okay.
Cross your legs, hold
Okay.
hands, and just kind of talk and laugh, and then look at the camera occasionally.
Okay, wait.
And we will.
Man, I don't even know. I don't know what I'm gonna read.
Keep my hand in the fire. Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first love. I knew I'd never get enough of you. I'll take the risk like I'm bulletproof. Shots in my heart, but it bleeds the truth. A part of every little thing I do, like a tattoo. Just like a tattoo, I'll always have you. Ooh, like a tattoo.
That's not too because you will be freezing.
And I am now. I'm
You
freezing
be all
now.
right, yeah.
Yeah.
Let me change.
Personal workout.
Try to deny, but you beg me to take.
My purse.
If I end as the loser, it'd be worth the game.
Okay, y'all, so as you guys saw, we just did a photo shoot. My wife planned that. I knew nothing about it, but we're about to go out to dinner, and I had to come back to the room to take off my bra. So here's the thing: we listen and we don't judge. I had a strapless bra. I had it for years. It got too big around the band, so it kept on coming down and it would end up right here. So I came up here to take it off. So now I look like a flat-chested little boy, but that's okay because these hips make up for what's not up here, baby. Can you see my hat? See my hat?
I'm gonna need a chair.
Yeah, switch it with that chair.
Could I switch chairs? Open this because this one's a little funky.
Okay, so I don't have my microphone. So yes, I do. Hold on.
You have a Riesling wine?
Oh, because I don't see it on here, but I guess
Yeah.
And this is one ticket or two separate tickets?
one.
Would you guys like water as well? You can keep it in case you want to get something to eat.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh yeah, we do.
Because it was
I thought that was just a drink menu.
No.
All right. All right, you guys. So
Baby,
we
you know you're going to have to go.
I'm not gonna record anybody. Nobody's here.
I'm saying the table.
I'm gonna move my. Okay. She won't let me be great, y'all. Okay, so we are at our restaurant destination. It is called the Velvet Note. And she planned this. She did all of it. She planned the photographer. She chose the hotel. She did everything for this. So, and I appreciate that so much. So it took some weight off of me. But anyway, she usually does for our anniversary. She usually is the one that plans whatever we're gonna do for our anniversary. So that's something I know I don't have to do for the rest of my life, right?
You said what?
So that's something I'll have to do for the rest of my life, right?
Playing?
Yeah, plan our anniversary stuff.
No, you will.
Say hey, let them see you now. I'm just messing. Oh, so the place that we're at, they gave hats. I got this one, says Happy New Year, and I got some beads. I got two, a silver one and a black one, and a party horn. So I know we won't be here when the new year comes in, but we'll blow the horn when we get back to our hotel.
Yeah.
Okay, all right, so we just ordered us some wine, and now we're about to get ready to order us something to eat. So I'll be back. That face is beats. I beat that face. We are back at the room, and I don't know what time it is, but I smell like food. The little place we went to, the Velvet Note, it was a small, quaint place, and they need some more ventilation because I smell like food. So anyway, and we had a nice time. Now I'm gonna tell y'all one thing about us. At New Year's, when it does strike 12, we are inside, whether we're at home or out of town celebrating our anniversary or whatever. We are inside. We do not run these streets, and we're not out in these streets after midnight or at midnight, baby. We done got too old for that, and it's too much.
I ain't too old. You old.
We've gotten too old for that, like I said.
I'm not old.
I didn't say you were old. I said we've gotten too old for that. Okay, let me put it this way. I've gotten too old for that. It's too much mess out in these streets. These people are dangerous and stuff, and I don't have time to be out there. So, yes, I know in my younger day, I would play around and go out there and be out in New Year's. But really, not too much then either. But anyway. So I know this vlog probably was not what you guys were expecting, thinking we were going to do some over-the-top hoo-ha stuff or what have you, but this is it. And if we're not asleep when midnight hits, then I will come in and say Happy New Year to you guys at that point. But other than that, I'm going to say Happy New Year to you now. So let's see if I can stay awake. It's after 9. It's 9 something. 9 what, I'm not sure. Now what, I'm not sure. And she said Happy New Year, just in case y'all didn't hear that. I don't have the microphones on, so I'm just rolling with this. Buenos dias. Escuchen, listen. No. It's this lady on TikTok that be going back and forth between English and Spanish, and that's what she be like. She come on now. Buenos dias, good morning. Escuchen, listen, you lizard, whatever. She calling people names. But anyway, good morning. It is the next day. And I wasn't going to carry this vlog over, but I decided to come and talk to y'all and carry it over a little bit. Anyway, I forgot to tell y'all last night about this restaurant. So the restaurant is called the Velvet Note. It's a small, quaint place, and they have what they call community seating. And if you've ever been on a cruise, you know what community seating is. You'll sit down at a foretop, and some people that you don't know will come and sit at that foretop with you as well. Or even a six top or whatever. They'll fill it up with people that you don't know. And so but they had the community seating unless the table was reserved, and it looked like they only had like 2 or 3 reserved tables. Anyway, they had a live band playing, and the band did really good. I put some clips in here so you'll see that.
Good morning. How you?
Anyway, here's we ordered our food. So like on their menu they had a steak, and the steak was $36 or $37. The steak came with steak fries, a ribeye steak. It did not have the ounces on there. Like when you go to restaurants and they have how many ounces you're gonna get, did not have the ounces on there. It had a ribeye, it had steak fries and sauteed veggies, right? So we went ahead, we ordered that, and we ordered a scallop plate. The lady came out with a scallop plate. The scallop plate was like $15. It was an appetizer. It had 2 scallops on there and 2 shrimp. Like, they weren't huge scallops and shrimp, but they were nice sized scallops and shrimp. I'm like, what is this? We had to send that back because I can't eat the shrimp. And so I guess they were trying to accommodate for the fact that they didn't have enough scallops, so they put shrimp on there. So she come out and tell us that, you know, they couldn't do it. Then the lady comes out and tells us, which I didn't want the steak fries anyway, so that was a good thing, but they didn't have the steak fries to put on our food, so did we want something in the place of it? So they had okra as an appetizer, and I wanted the okra, so we were like, can we get the okra? And then, but she offered mashed potatoes, right? So we were like, if they don't have the okra, then we'll take the mashed potatoes. She comes back a few minutes later and she says the truck that was supposed to come in did not come in, so they didn't have the okra. So we just went ahead and took the mashed potatoes. So we got our steak with some mashed potatoes, spring mixed salad, and sauteed veggies. It didn't say anything about the spring mixed salad, but I guess because they didn't have steak fries, maybe that's why they put that on there. I don't know. Anyway, and the sauteed veggies wasn't enough to be a side anyway, so I didn't get that. Because the sauteed veggies was just minute. Anyway, when they came out with the steak was half of a piece of steak. You know how when you cut a piece of steak and then you, like if you're cooking steak and then you go ahead and you cut it in half and you finish cooking it, that's how it was. It had a lot of marbling on it, first of all. But the steak was a half of a piece of steak. It was not even a full piece of steak. I don't even think this steak was 8 ounces. May have been, I don't know, but it didn't even seem like 8 ounces, but it was seasoned great. It was delicious. The food was delicious. I'm not gonna hold you. It was delicious, and my wife said that it's a black chef, owned by a black chef, and the black chef is the cook. So the food was delicious, but I'm just still tripping off of how they gonna give us a half of a steak. We shared our food. So we shared our food, and then when we couldn't get the scallops, we did end up getting a flatbread, and the flatbread was like $15, and it was tasty. So we had a good time at the place, and then they had the party favors and stuff, and I threw in like a couple of pics. I don't know if I'm gonna have our anniversary pictures back or not, because if you guys, well, no, not if you're watching the vlog, you saw at the beginning that we had a photo shoot that my wife had planned. She does so good with planning our anniversary outings. I think this is her job for the rest of our married life. Did I say married life? This is her job for the rest of our lives. So, yeah, she does really good with planning our anniversary trips and things. So, yeah, she does so good. So, I think this is her job. Not think, I know. It's her job.